Before performing device management and maintenance, you need to log in to the device. When a device functions as a server, you can log into the device through the console port, Telnet or STelnet. When a device functions as a client, you can log into another device from this device through Telnet or STelnet. This video shows how to use the 3 login modes. For details about the corresponding configuration procedures, see the videos separately released for these login modes. Locally logging in through the console port is not only the basic login mode but also the basis for other login modes. This mode requires you to connect the PC to the device with a console cable. Therefore, you can only locally log in to the device. If a device is powered on for the first time, you are advised to log into it through the console port and complete related configurations. If you are unable to remotely log into a device, locally log into it through the console port. If a device fails to start, perform diagnosis or an upgrade through the console port. Logging in through Telnet allows you to locally or remotely manage and maintain a device. In this login mode, the device can function as either a server or a client. If the route between the PC and device A is reachable, you can run the Telnet client program on the PC to log in to the device for configuration and management. In this case, device A functions as a server. If the route between the PC and device B is unreachable, you can run the terminal emulation program or Telnet client program on the PC to establish a connection with device A. Then, run the Telnet command to log in to device B for configuration and management. In this case, device A functions as both a Telnet server and a Telnet client. Logging in through Telnet does not require you to connect a terminal to each device, greatly simplifying operations. However, it uses TCP for non-ciphertext transmission, posing security risks. As such, login through STelnet is strongly recommended. STelnet is a secure Telnet service based on SSH 2.0. In contrast with Telnet, STelnet requires the server to authenticate the client and perform bidirectional data encryption so as to establish a secure connection between the server and client. This ensures information security and effectively protects the devices against attacks such as IP address spoofing and root spoofing, achieving secure device access and management. Similar to Telnet, STelnet allows a device to provide the STelnet server function for direct login, or function as an STelnet client through which you can log in to an STelnet server. Although relevant operations are similar to those for Telnet, the configuration procedure in this mode is more complex. That's all for this video about the 3 router login modes. Thank you for watching.